Good day, everyone. I am Karen Faith Escordero, and today I will be presenting a comprehensive review of the research paper titled Sustainable Urban Infrastructure Innovations in Civil Engineering for Smart Cities, authored by Khan and colleagues in 2025. This paper examines how civil engineering is evolving in response to rapid urbanization and the growing need for smart, resilient, and sustainable cities. The study highlights both technological innovations and the challenges faced in implementing them. So, who has or have done the work? The research was carried out by a multidisciplinary team of civil and environmental engineers representing institutions from the United States, Northern Cyprus, and Minnesota. These include the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, the European University of Lefke, and Leech Lake Tribal College. The diverse academic backgrounds of the team strengthened the study, enabling a broad analysis of global smart city strategies and civil engineering innovations. What were their goals or objectives? The central goal of the study was to investigate how modern civil engineering contributes to the development of sustainable urban infrastructure in smart cities. Specifically, the researchers aimed to identify the most significant engineering innovations supporting sustainability, analyze how global smart cities implement these technologies, examine the barriers that limit widespread adoption, and provide insights and recommendations for future engineering practices and policy making. These objectives reflect the increasing importance of integrating technology, sustainability, and urban planning. For the research questions, based on the objectives, the authors explored several guiding questions. First, what civil engineering innovations are essential to building sustainable smart cities? Second, how do leading global smart cities apply these tools and technologies? Third, what challenges or constraints prevent engineers and governments from implementing these innovations? And lastly, how should civil engineering evolve to address the demands of rapidly urbanizing environments? These questions help shape the study's multi-method approach. So how did they gather relevant data? So the researchers used a mixed methods, a research design combining qualitative and quantitative approaches. Data was gathered through 12 expert interviews with civil engineers, urban planners, and environmental specialists, surveys distributed to 150 respondents, including engineers, city planners, and graduate students, an extensive literature review of academic journals, international sustainability standards, and government reports, and 5 in-depth case studies focusing on Singapore, Copenhagen, Amsterdam, Masdar City, and Songdo, all recognized as global leaders in smart urban development. This comprehensive approach provided a rich data set reflecting both theory and real-world practice. So how did they form the data set? First, they consolidated literature findings, used thematic coding from interviews, statistical survey outputs, infrastructure performance data from simulation models, and case study benchmarking. So how did they process the data? To process the collected data, the researchers applied a range of analytical techniques. They used thematic analysis using NVivo software to interpret interview transcripts and identify recurring themes and expert perspectives. Statistical analysis using SPSS to process survey results, focusing on trends, correlations, and significant differences in stakeholder viewpoints. Simulation and modeling tools, including Building Information Modeling or BIM, Geographic Information Systems or GIS, and ENVIMET to assess infrastructure performance, environmental impacts, and urban microclimates. And lastly, triangulation was conducted across all data sources, interviews, surveys, simulation, and case studies to validate the consistency and reliability of the findings. This multi-layered analysis ensured accuracy and strengthened the study's conclusions. So, what were the findings? So, the study generated several major findings. Innovations shaping sustainable cities include BIM, GIS, smart materials such as self-healing concrete, modular and prefabricated construction, intelligent transportation systems, and renewable energy integrating building designs. Case studies showed that Singapore excels in IoT-based smart mobility and water management systems. Copenhagen effectively uses blue-green infrastructure to manage floods and support active transportation. Amsterdam focuses on retrofitting historic structures with modern energy-efficient technologies. Masdar City demonstrates advanced renewable energy and autonomous transit but faces issues related to cost and scalability. Songdo is one of the most digitally integrated cities utilizing IoT for waste traffic and energy management. Simulation models showed significant benefits from sustainable designs. Building with green roofs and solar panels reduced energy consumption by 22 to 35%. Permeable pavements and smart stormwater systems decreased surface runoff by up to 40%. So these findings highlight how engineering innovations can significantly reduce environmental impacts and improve urban efficiency. So despite the proven benefits, the study identified several constraints. High upfront costs for advanced technologies, institutional resistance and slow adoption of innovative practices, skill gaps among engineers and planners, particularly in digital tools, lack of policy support, incentives, and long-term urban planning, and concerns about data security, privacy, and system integration when relying on IoT technologies. Survey results revealed a gap between awareness and practice. Although more than 90% of respondents recognized the importance of sustainability, only around half applied sustainability measures consistently in their projects. So, what were the gaps in the studies? The researchers acknowledged several limitations. Most case studies came from developed, highly urbanized countries, limiting applicability to developed regions. Long-term impacts of smart technologies were not fully assessed due to limited available data. Social sustainability, such as community involvement, equity, and behavior change, was not deeply explored. Survey responses may contain bias due to self-reporting. Recognizing these gaps is important for guiding future research. So, for my personal takeaways, overall, the study provides a clear and compelling picture of how civil engineering is transforming to meet the demands of modern cities. My key takeaways are civil engineering is now deeply connected with the digital innovation. Tools like BIM, GIS, and IoT systems are essential for informed and sustainable urban planning. Smart cities cannot rely on technology alone. They require governance, policy support, community participation, and skilled professionals. Sustainability must be embedded in both engineering education and professional practice. The transition toward sustainable urban infrastructure is not just technical, it is economic, social, and institutional. Finally, this research emphasizes that civil engineers play an increasingly critical role as leaders of sustainable development, not merely builders of structures. So, in conclusion, the paper offers a valuable roadmap for transforming urban environments into smart, resilient, and sustainable ecosystems. It highlights the technologies available today, the barriers to their implementation and the steps needed to integrate innovation into civil engineering profession. So thank you for watching my presentation.